Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. Thanks to President Trump's pro-business policies, which includes lowering the corporate tax from 21% to 15%, lower interest rates, and solid economic growth, now is a great time for income-starved dividend investors to take a look at business development companies, or BDCs for short. BDCs, or what we call at Income Investors alternative banks, help provide much-needed capital to small and medium-sized businesses to help grow their companies. Traditional financial institutions also have to pay the government between 25 cents to 35 cents in taxes on each dollar they make in profit. BDCs pay little or no income tax on their earnings. And in exchange for this benefit, BDCs must distribute at least 90% of their ordinary taxable income to shareholders. As a result, these companies pay out one of the biggest dividend yields around. One of the better performing BDCs right now is the Stellus Capital Investment Corp. They're traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol SCM. John, what can you tell us about this BDC?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Stellus Capital is as you guessed it, a BDC that specializes in investing in private middle market companies in the US and Canada. It invests through first lien, second lien, unitranche, and mezzanine debt financing, often with a corresponding equity investment. Generally makes investments of between $20 million and $100 million in companies generating between $5 million and $50 million of EBITDA. That's earnings before interest, tax, depreciation, and amortization. Now, to date, it has completed more than 350 investments and currently has more than 80 active investments with $3.4 billion of assets under management. Now, some of its sectors it invests in include aerospace and defense, consumer products and services, financial services, industrial services, media and entertainment, software. You get the idea. Now, some of the companies that it invested in the past include Atkins Nutritional, Dr. Scholl's, PetMate, and US Auto.
And I see Stellus reported another solid quarter.
Yeah, for the third quarter ended September 30th, 2024, Stellus announced that investment income totaled $26.5 million, most of which was interest income from portfolio investments. Investment income, which is their way of reporting earnings, came in at $10.3 million or 47 cents per share, which is down slightly from $10.8 million or 47 cents per share in the same period last year. Now, core net investment income for the 3 months was $10.6 million or 40 cents per share, and that was down from $11.2 million or 49 cents per share in the third quarter of 2023. Now, subsequent to the end of the quarter, Stellus increased its capital base by $55 million through the upsizing of its credit facility to $315 million.
If you like what you see so far, check out incomeinvestors.com. While you're there, you could also sign up for our free special report titled 3 Income Stocks to Own Today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. And now back to the video. And John, I see that it maintained its monthly distribution of 0.133 cents per share.
Well, yeah, thanks to its reliable core net investment income, Stellus is, fortunately, able to provide investors with a reliable monthly dividend. It just completed its 12th anniversary as a public company, and over that time has returned $273 million to investors. Then that's equivalent to $16.28 per share. And at current price levels, that works out to 118% of its current share price. Now, in early January, the company declared a monthly dividend of, as you noted, 0.1333 cents per share for each of January, February, and March. And now that works out to 40 cents per share on a quarterly basis, or $1.60 per share on an annual basis, for a forward dividend yield of 11.73%.
And finally, SCM Stock is trading near record levels.
Yeah, Stellus Capital is actually coming off a pretty solid or great year, where its share price rallied an impressive 20.36%. Now, that's the total return and includes reinvested dividends. Now, to show just how important it is to reinvest dividends and take advantage of compounding, had you decided to cash in those monthly dividends instead, the total return in 2024 drops to 7.08%. With regards to the current dividend, on October 25th, 2024, Stellus stock hit a fresh record high of $14.03 per share. Now it continues to trade near those levels, but trading at record levels and having a reliable dividend yield isn't all that common. More often than not, an ultra high yield dividend is attached to a stock that is often depressed. But that's because share price and dividend yield have an inverse relationship. That obviously isn't the case here with Stellus Capital. As of this recording, SCM stock is up approximately 19% on an annual basis and 3.5% over the last 6 months. And frankly, strong share price appreciation and a big dividend is what shareholders have come to expect, actually. SCM has a 5-year average dividend yield of 10.54%.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Stellus Capital Investment Corp continues to be one of the longest tenured BDCs specializing in senior secured loans in lower middle market. Collectively, Stellus has invested over $8.5 billion in the lower middle market credit and equity investments across multiple cycles and industries over the last 20 years. Thanks to this reliable cash flow, shareholders have been on the receiving end of reliable monthly dividend. And so are the 62 institutions that hold 12.3% stake in the company. Some of its biggest institutional holders include Raymond James and Associates and Morgan Stanley. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special report on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. You can find the link to incomeinvestors.com in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned. And in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.